Wesley, what do you have? Whoa, eggs. You want to open up those eggs?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
This one's all the way open. Can you open it? It's hard.
Is it hard?
Mm-hmm.
Can you get it open?
No.
What is it?
Oh.
Uh-oh, pick up the pieces. Is it a car? Is it a car?
Mm-hmm.
What a great surprise.
And it comes with this.
Oh, should we put it together?
Sure.
Let's see that car. Whoa. Does it drive on the table? Bring it up here. Take a look at it. Look at that.
It's a Hot Wheels car.
Looks like a Hot Wheels car, doesn't it? That is so neat.
Let's open the next one.
Sure.
This one.
Yeah.
This one comes next.
All right. Whoa.
And this house is in here. Serious isn't staying.
Oh, is there anything there? Need some help opening it? It's a bit tough, isn't it?
Something's in there. Does it say?
There we go.
Whoa, it is. Whoa.
Huh, what is it?
A robot.
A robot? Should we put it together?
Yes.
What's that one do?
Ga.
Oh. You put it down on the table? So I can see it. Oh, neat. You put it beside your car?
Yes.
All right.
The last one.
Last one. Whoa. I wonder what it could be.
Me too. I wonder what it could be, Mommy. Mom, what's coming? Yeah, coming in this one.
Oh. Sounds pretty neat.
Which one's in it? I can't wait. Can you open it, please?
Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Whoa.
Whoa, what could it be?
That. Bounce will go. It goes with the bouncy bouncer.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get to see this construction.
Mm-hmm.
This one, one of those more jumpy jumpers.
Oh, a jumpy jumper.
They jump.
What does it say to do? Does it stick in there? Just like that? Whoa, look at all your nice things.
A museum. Can you turn that thing?
That's nice.
They sound good. Now can I eat the chocolate?
Sure you can. It looks tasty. Which one is your favorite?
The red car.
The car, yeah. That's really nice. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Can you say thanks for joining us?
Thanks for joining us.
See you next time.
See you next time.
What else? Click subscribe.
Please subscribe.